Assalamu alaikum. First, I would like to say thank you for this honor. I'm really happy to be here. Today, I'll be talking to you about renewable energy and the deployment of electric vehicles, and how electric vehicle will put a burden on our network. And with the aid of machine learning and AI, it is possible to use it for our benefit. So instead of being a burden, we'll use it to give us some benefits. First, I would like to introduce what's power network. The power network is of power stations, could be thermal power station, could be nuclear, hydro, and then through transmission network to supply a various load. Various load always, especially when it comes to residential, it's located far away or a bit distance from a power stations. Now, if I go back and look at, this is from DIWA. If I look at from DIWA and I can see what I can see from the pictures is, our demand, it's always increasing. And I'm pretty sure it's the same for Sharjah, it's the same for the rest of the UAE. If I check this is what, based on 2011, check at the renewable energy in UAE, almost neglected. However, the recent study shows that if I look at the PV and the concentrated solar power, I will have almost 20%. If you paid attention on the previous slide, I have almost 9,000 megawatt of generation. When I have 20% of this 9,000, that's almost 2,000 megawatt based on solar and solar CSP, concentrated solar power. So nowadays, I cannot ignore the renewable energy part of my grid. Where the challenge to us is the microgrid. These days, almost every house in the future will have a solar panels. Will have some sort of generation system that can take electricity and give electricity. In conjunction with the fossil fuel, this renewable energy could have benefit or burden on our fossil fuel, depend on how we manage the system. In early 2019, 11 countries has committed to 100% clean energy within the next 20 years. Few cities worldwide claim to have already target. Significant amount of energy from renewable sources are reaching the grid. This take me back, what does it mean when I have a significant amount of energy? This figure gives you an example of a standard load, and a fossil fuel generation will follow the pattern of the load. When I introduce a solar system, my grid, the generation will drop to this shape. When I have a significant, I will have my fossil fuel output could be set to 0 during peak. Why renewable energy could be a burden? The renewable energy, because it's less predictable distributed. So we control the sun, can we control the wind? It's not possible for us to control them. That's why we have to manage it in a proper way. Without proper management, this could cause us major problem to our network. Also, renewable energy large scale energy storage could open scale. This, during charging and discharging, will make a major problem to us. What will happen to our electricity grid? As we go with technology, we are replacing electromechanical devices with electronics. We have wide range of retail choice and wide range of distributed energy. Also, we have metering system, we have GIS, we have advanced outage management system, we have advanced distributed energy management system. All this will give us the upper hand to control and to direct the energy in a way that benefit our grid and benefit us financially. Where our electric vehicle will sit. Electric vehicle is basically, it's a movable batteries. So I can store the energy at one point of time and then reuse it. How long do you think is acceptable for you to wait for the car to be charged. This is a list of cars and normal charge and a fast charging time. In California, they are going to install a 2,800 charging station. Each charging station has a capacity, each unit has a capacity 320 kilowatt instantaneous. If I'm using EVA car,